T2232 Land Rover Defender Arc Series Roof-Mounted Pod Light Installation Guide. First, place the headlight on the vehicle roof for alignment, ensuring it is reasonably centered. Use masking tape for positioning. Peel off the adhesive film. Connect the wiring harness to the main body. Ensure no interference between the cables and the vehicle roof. Fix the position with adhesive to prevent shaking. Route the wiring harness along this groove. Clean the vehicle roof. Install the top light. Remove the passenger side A-pillar exterior trim. First unscrew the screws here. Then slide the trim downward to remove. Route the wiring harness into the gap of the windshield, pushing it to the innermost side to avoid interference. Reinstall the A-pillar exterior trim. Insert the wiring harness into the gap here. Connect the live wire here. The neutral wire here. Note that avoid contact with other metals here to prevent short circuits. Paste masking tape around the headlight edges. Adhesive application requires professional operation. Installation guide ends here. Thank you for choosing T2232.